Let's get started with our first preparation lesson. To start, you'll need a few things. Your fabric, I'm using an off-white cotton, your printed alphabet pattern, a heat erasable pen or a regular pencil, your floss threads, and a 10-inch wooden embroidery hoop. I've got all my alphabet letters printed on this A4 paper. I recommend downloading and printing this pattern with links in the course resources. I'm now fixing the fabric into my wooden hoop. Once the two rings are together, use your fingers to stretch and tighten the fabric until all the wrinkles are gone. This step is crucial for keeping your stitches even and neat. You'll be able to create personalized words for your garments, home decor, and so much more. For this project, I'm using an off-white cotton fabric, but you can choose any color or fabric type you prefer. Now to transfer the design, I've fixed my fabric into the hoop, and I'm simply pinning the printed paper to the back of the hoop. I'm now tracing all the letters one by one onto the fabric using my heat erasable pen. You can use a pencil or a regular pen if you don't have an erasable pen. You could also use a light source, like a window or a small LED light if your fabric is thicker. Once all the letters from A to Z are transferred, we can begin stitching. I've already transferred all the letters from A to Z onto my fabric, with each letter about 1 to 2 centimeters in size. Once all the letters are transferred, we are ready to stitch. We're starting with the letter A. I've chosen green and black floss. Throughout this course, we'll be using either 2 or 3 strands of floss. I'll be using 3 strands of floss for this part. Take your 6-strand length and carefully pull off 3 strands. Remember to separate the strands one by one to avoid creating knots in the remaining floss. My needle is threaded and I've tied a simple knot to anchor the thread. Let's get stitching. We're excited to start with letter A. Let's jump into the next lesson and get stitching.